Hi everyone and good morning. As you can see, looks like Miss Rabbit and her friend Blossom are in the middle of renovations. She just received her new French country chic chairs, and we're going to tell you the details of what we're doing here. That is a trifold back there. As you can see, that is a little bit of a soft warm wood paneling. I am going over and doing a diorama for her living room. The next few videos you're going to see from Be Happy Crochet will be all about the dioramas for Miss Rabbit and friends. As I told you in my last video, more detailed storylines, some stop action motion scene videos. It's going to be a lot of fun. These chairs are made out of boxes that I picked up from the dollar store. I glued some boxes together from the lid and the box. I didn't keep that video, but maybe in a future video I'll show you how I did that. Make sure you like, subscribe, drop comments below if you want to see more detailed videos on how I make these things. I will surely do that. These chairs have a nice soft cotton with a little bit of a fleck in them. I added lace, handmade cushions in the French cottage style. The theme of her rooms will be a little mix of a boho chic French country cottage. So stay tuned and see how this diorama and storyline finishes out. Hi Blossom, you're really cute standing back there. Thanks for helping. Miss Rabbit's loving the idea so far. You pick up these pill and sticks. They have different patterns. This is a nice warm wood paneling finish. It'll be the background for the living room. You can pick up these dollhouse activity kits. They're trifold to make great backgrounds. You can keep them as is, or as I'm doing, renovating them to fit the scene. A lot of these products from dollar store. Check them out. I think you'll be happy to use those in your dioramas. And I made the cushions on the chair to be seasonal. Right now they're in their French country. You can change them out, make any cushions you like for all the seasons. Stay tuned for the finished reveal of this living room. It's going to be really cute. Thank you once again for joining Be Happy Crochet, and stay tuned to the end of the video where we will do the final reveal for this diorama living room. Everything is between a 1/6, sometimes 1/12, but 1/6 scale I think seems to work great for my 6-inch Miss Rabbit. And this little girl back here is a little bit smaller, so she does well with the 1/12. So it's going to be a combination between 1/6 and some 1/12 scale items. All right, let's continue with the French country boho chic renovations for Miss Rabbit's beautiful country living room. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish the paneling with the wood, pill and stick. Next thing you will see, this completely covered, and I will be adding a window cutout. So stay tuned for that as we build this French country cottage boho chic living room. All right, let's go. As you can see, all the walls are covered with the warm wood paneling, pill and stick. I'm working on cutting out the window here. Here is Miss Rabbit. I remeasured. She is standing 7 inches tall with her ears. All right, I have her where she will be able to look out the window. I will make a window treatment with a window scene that you can look out the window. So I use this 3.5-inch box to measure for the size of my window. That's what I used as my template. All right, I'm going to carry on cutting out that opening with my X-Acto knife on my cutting mat. All right, Miss Rabbit, getting your room ready. It's going to look gorgeous. Let's carry on. Okay, here we are. I am framing out this window. It is just in place. It's not glued down, so I'm going to have to probably going to make that a brown, maybe a warmer color wood to add contrast. I'm using these stir sticks, popsicle stick type things I got from the Dollar Tree. All right, stay with me. see how this finishes out. I can't wait to see what this window looks like with the window drapes and maybe a little window treatment of, I'm thinking of what I'm going to do. It's going to really be beautiful. All right, stay tuned. This trifold is laying flat while I'm kind of measuring things out. All right, let's get working on this window treatment. Okay, everybody, that really beautiful French country cottage window treatment and window is finished. I used a picture that can be slid in and out to change the scenery. Got the picture from calendar, which you can also do. Let me show you. This was an old calendar from 2022. I saved it. This is the picture that I put in a pocket that I formed in the back of this diorama, which I'll show you. That is the pocket. I also used a piece, I'm not going to slide it out, but there is a pocket here. You would slide out your picture. Okay, I have a light in the back that brightens out that window. As you can see, I used a piece of plastic from old packaging. Looks really pretty. I use an old dress, the inside of the netting and lace for that French country cottage look. Window treatment. These are the cup hooks I used. I'm not going to take it apart, but I just wove on that old netting. Then I draped this pretty lacy floral pattern over the hooks. And as you can see, they screw to the back. And this is where the pocket is to switch out your picture. Some of the old netting that I used from the dress. Give it a really pretty look. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried these dioramas for your dolls or your dollhouse. Next time you see this room, it'll be fully furnished. And stay tuned to the end of the video to see the final reveal. All right, I'm going to finish up.